colleagues. My name is Alexandr Yeroфеев, as you know, and I'm going to speak about the derivatives. Now let's start with derivatives. Instrument is a contract between two parties that specifies conditions, in particular dates and resulting values of underlying variables under which payment or payoffs are to be made between the parties. The term derivatives indicates that it has no independent values. Its values is entirely derived from the values of the underlying asset. The underlying asset can be securities, bill currencies, anything in the world and anything else. In other words, derivatives means a forward, futures, option, a swap, and less transparency can cause capital markets to underprice credit risks. All in all, some historians maybe also will blame derivatives for the financial crisis of 2008 in the United States and the European sovereign debt crisis in Greece, maybe 100,000 pounds. Now, and your Ferrari will come in 3 months. In 3 months. So, 3 months. During these 3 months, the price for Ferrari could rise or could fall. It depends. But you have paid this sum, and in 3 months you will pay 40,000 pounds, and the cost of the Ferrari from the moment you buy your, it calls a trade day. It calls trade day. Your price will stay in this price. You will have as the price as the price of the trade day. It doesn't matter for you if now the price is 200,000 pounds or it is 100,000 pounds. The thing is when you are going to you are forwarding this body, the price will stay from that point when you, from the trade day, from that day when you just discussed and agreed with this sum. Next, futures. Futures are contract to buy or sell an asset or before a future date at a price specifically today. Discuss where to bring your Ferrari or how to bring your Ferrari. In future contract, you're discussing all the things, all the way of this Ferrari from the workshop, from the factory of Ferrari to you. This is the main difference between future and forward.
And do you pay the price for the contract itself?
No. Next, options. There's lots of words about options, but I can easily explain it with our Ferrari. Okay. So, the price of Ferrari is still 130,000 pounds. The main thing, you haven't got such large. It's a big sum of money. Yes, you haven't got it, and you are looking for the cheaper Ferrari. This Ferrari, I don't know, this model of Ferrari, but cheaper. So you found the cheapest price here in the dealer shop. You're coming to him and say, "Hey man, if I would find something cheaper, I will buy there. But if I don't, I won't buy your car." So during the option, you are doing this thing. You pay for him, for example, I don't know, 20,000. It's called option call. This is an option call. This option call may be for a month. During this month, you are walking through all dealer shops and looking for the cheaper price. And this sum will stay. You pay this sum for dealer, and you can't get it back. You can't just. It won't be returned for you. But if you are cheaper, for example, I don't know, 110,000 pounds. You will buy this Ferrari, you will lose this money, but in the end you will have this sum for your Ferrari. This is option. Another thing, you didn't find something cheaper. Maybe all the price, but you also but also you will save in this case you will save your sum. You will see you also know this is less than this. All in all, you have your money. You have
It's
something.
going to sell you Ferrari for 150,000 pounds.
50 in this.
No, exactly 50,000. So you can buy there 150 for 150,000 pounds and lose your 20,000. And you can buy the car where you left your option call. Well, where you have left your option call and spent generally 160,000. So you lost the money.
You lose 10, yes,
10,000.
10,000. It depends. It depends on you because all in all, it's not just these sums. And if you buy Ferrari, as I said, you don't care about 20,000 pounds. You know, it's.
So payment is sort of payment, but deposit you will lose it.
You will lose the deposit. You know the thing that deposit. No, I don't know how it works on the stock markets, but the thing that okay, you will lose here your deposit or anywhere, but you can earn, you can save money, or also you can earn money. It's in this situation. So so the thing that I don't know, is it, can we call it deposit or not? We call option. Here's the name, call option.
Just understand that in real life we do not need an option because we have something different. But if you come back, this sum will be your prepayment. You won't lose it. Anyway.
In deposit,
you will
no. In this you won't lose it. It just will be more than the sum. This is just a hedging for the sailors, because just like that, they are thinking that you will buy, they are waiting for your money and so on. But you, for example, you don't. It's not a prepayment. It's in sometimes your as you said, your deposit sometimes can be returned. In option
there is agreement between two enterprises. And the situation is as following. Person comes to one enterprise, they set the price, for example, 150 pounds, and he makes this option call, yes, and then he goes to the company where price is lower, and they are not making a deal with him, so he's losing on the deposits. There is agreement between them. You understand?
I don't think it's legal.
Of course.
Maybe there are, but you know.
I mean, not just for 10,000 pounds, but for bigger sums.
Okay. The main thing is that on the stock funds, the companies, there's not only two companies. There's more companies. So to make such an agreement, I don't know in how to do. It's fair. Maybe it's possible, but not now, not in a year.